Hi, I'm Matt from WME. As we celebrate the holiday season, I wanted to take a moment to thank you all, not just from me, but from my family as well. Nicholas and...
Topher.
Go ahead.
Topher.
The time of year reminds us of what matters most. Real connections, growth, and the shared journey that we've had with...
The baby Jesus in the hay. Moo, 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 moo. Baby Jesus, we love you.
At WME, we don't talk about just empowering excellence. We see it in our everyday lives and how we build trust. Innovation isn't something we do alone. Just like my own kids, it's about nurturing and really focusing on what matters, while I don't actually get killed in the process. So, from all of us at WME and my family, thank you for being part of this journey. You're more than just clients and partners. You're part of the WME shared visions of success. Wishing you and your loved ones a season full of joy, warmth, and new opportunities. Happy holidays and cheers to a prosperous 2025.